But first, I got to talk about this because it is a wild deal going on. Yesterday's show, I led with the story about the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition. And, of course, we're going through the spec list, and we're talking about a more budget-friendly Galaxy device. We're talking about an S20 that more people are going to be able to afford with really a bunch of specs that are on the flagship and only missing a few. Bunch of colors to choose from. So it was exciting enough as it was. Plus, I'm going to do an unboxing video of this device in about 5 minutes from now. However, couple websites, Best Buy and Amazon, already took the price down another $100 from the announcement. How does that work? I don't know. Are they chewing into their own margin, or did they catch wind of some competing products and they're like, let's do it for $5.99? I don't know. We're talking about an unlocked, no activation requirement, S20 Fan Edition, Best Buy, $5.99, Amazon, price matched, $5.99. Now, I am talking about USD, but all of a sudden now you got to change your conversation a little bit because you got a Snapdragon 865.
Yeah.
You got a 120 hertz display.
Yeah.
You got a Samsung One UI.
Oh, yeah.
$5.99.
Yeah.
Are you excited? Are you excited or what?
That's kind of like a new flagship killer, right?
Wow,
Is
easy.
that what they call it?
Easy there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be. 2400 by 1080 pixel
Great
Super
specs.
AMOLED, 120 hertz refresh rate, 6.5 inch, Snapdragon 865. The camera is lacking a little from the flagship, but not in a big way. And going from 700 to 600, I think, is significant. So the Fan Edition is going to get some more fans. That's what I think.
Right on.
And it becomes harder, actually, to buy the regular S20. That's the phone that you use.
Yep.
Because you're thinking to yourself, man, do I really want to spend the extra cash? Look at the value I'm getting over here. It also puts the heat on OnePlus, bringing out the 8T.
Yep.
Now they got to think about this phone at $599 instead. I don't know how long it's going to stay at that price, but you click the link in the article right now. Oh, maybe it's already gone. Oh, hang on. Hang on, Will. Let's verify this on the correct websites here. Best Buy and Amazon.
Oh, this is
We need to be accurate over here. Yeah. Oh, 549. 549. Oh, with activation. Okay, hold up. Can we pick without activation? Activation later.
I need a VPN here.
No, you don't. Just click US. Just click US. You'll get it. Yes. 4-star. Wow. There you go. So $549. Look at this. Okay, click on the pre-order button. Right there, the yellow one. Yeah, we're just going to get to the bottom of this right now. Make sure we're on target. You buy it on Verizon, it'll take $50 off. Obviously, you're signing a contract. So that's $550. AT&T $550. Sprint all the way down to $499. But if you just want the unlocked and figure out you have your own service and everything, then $599 right there. So it does take a couple of clicks to get there. What about on Amazon.com? I suppose it probably is the same thing. S20 FE. $599 factory unlocked. Yeah, it's just $599 straight up. No special. You don't have to click on anything on the Amazon page. So
All right, I'm trusting you on this.
You can't get there. Did I out Google you? Did I out Google you right now?
Well, I was trying to click the link.
Yeah, go here. There you go. S20 FE. And you can get every color on Amazon also. And it will be the $599 link right there. It's actually a pre-order right now. It will be released October 2nd on Amazon. And they got it in the navy blue or the Willy Doo blue, the green, the orange, the red, the white. Kind of cool stuff. Way to go, Samsung. Get that price down. Or I guess, way to go, Amazon. Way to go. Whoever's responsible.
Great deal.
Whoever's responsible.